So what have you managed to cook up today, gentlemen?
Okay, so we've got to do one of these, and we've got to do one of them that's on our platform. We are currently in a ETF, the US one, the S&P 500 stock tracker. We've had it for a while, and it's a fairly substantial position, but it hasn't really done much for us. Why? Because it went down at first, and then it came back to par. I'm kind of the view that we should kick that out for a change and go with something else. And I think we were agreeing that Europe looked pretty interesting for a rebound story. So my sense is that's where we should go.
That definitely works for you, doesn't it, Seppo? Europe?
No, it does. I think for this particular portfolio, the nice benefit of Europe as opposed to the emerging markets is it's not as affected by the tapering talk. So you won't see the euro movement being as affected. So I think from a currency perspective, that's an important consideration. And then it's trading at a significant discount to the US. So for me, that's another big tick.
I must also look carefully at position sizing, because the margin requirements for these foreign index things on the CFDs is actually very low. What I mean by that is you can have quite a lot of exposure for a relatively limited amount of margin. So in the past, maybe the reason why we didn't make money on the US one was we were too scared and the position was too small.
Well, I'm glad you've worked out why we didn't make money.
Maybe what we need to do is, get a little large on ourselves, see how that feels.
All right, now talking about making money, we are making money in our portfolio.
Yeah, so we've been seeing solid gains again. Yesterday, strong market. MTN has been up, Aspen's been up, Steinhoff's been up, Netcare's been up, Woolies has been up. These are the big positions we've got in our portfolio. So yeah,
160,000 insight, Paul.
Yeah, well, look, I don't know if that's feasible. I mean, those are some big numbers, but 154, I'm extremely pleased, and that's been achieved without really taking any untoward or unreasonable risks. Just a little bit cautious in the market, watching positions closely every day.